Hi everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. For today's video, we're checking out this flashlight. Comes with a charging cable right here. So let's go ahead and open this up. It's 300 lumens in case you guys are wondering. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like here. So there's a lot of options on this little light. Let's go ahead and show you guys a better angle. Make sure you always keep this case because on the back here it shows operations. You can do up to 7 clicks. 7 clicks is factory reset. So click number 1 is just a small, simple little flashlight. And then if you press it again, it goes off. Double clicking is a strobe flashlight. Press it to go off. Let's do 3 clicks. 3 clicks is the back light. And now, if you just press once, it turns red. Another time, blue. Now it flashes red. Now it flashes blue. Now it flashes red and blue. Basically like police lights. And it's extremely bright. Press it again and you go back to the normal little LED in the center here. Now let's do 4. Now let's see. Let's press and hold it to turn it off. Oh, that's awesome. It's glow in the dark. Oh, that's pretty cool, guys. Look at that. No light is on. We don't have any light on. It's glow in the dark. That's cool. Okay, let's go ahead and press it 4 times. All right, so it is kind of like a flash, break, and then flash again. All right, let's do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now we just got everything kind of strobing. So yeah, 5 just kind of blinks back and forth. 6, you get a green light in the very back that blinks. Oh, and it actually, it changes color. Now it's red, blue, purplish pink. That's pretty cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 resets, I think. Okay, no, that's not reset, unless that's what it does to reset. Let's go ahead and turn some lights on and see this. Okay, 7 does reset, so you got up to 6. So let's repeat really quickly, show you guys the modes again. 1, very light flashlight. 2, rapid flash. 3, you got this little light on. 4, oh no, we gotta turn it off. Okay, so first you gotta turn it off. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Blinking light, turn it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you got this mode going on here. Turn it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe we're doing it wrong, unless it battery died. But either way, guys, this is really cool. We're going to be putting this on our key ring, and I love that it glows in the dark. That's awesome. Very nice, guys. Just make sure you fully charge it.